Assalamu alaikum dear student. How are you all? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akhtar, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Student, I am going to take a general science class for class 2 student. Student, can we live without water? I know your answer will be no. Yes, we cannot live without water. All living things need water for living. So dear student, and we use this water in many ways in our daily life. Today's topic is the need for water. The need for water. This is lecture number 5 and I will give you some SW and SW number is 4. So dear student, let's start today's class, and this is your science book and we will read this chapter 12. This is page number 86. When you watching this class, you can open this page also and you can follow your book also. So let's read this chapter at first. The need for water. Water is a very important in our life. All living things including plants, because we know plants are living things. Plants and animals need water to survive. Uses for water. We need water for all kind of activity. We need water to live and so do all other animals. We need water for bathing, drinking, washing. We also need water to cook our food and to keep our surrounding clean. Now we will know about sources of water. We get water from many sources. Rain is the main source of water. The water from rain is called rainwater. You can see this picture. Here is rain. The rainwater fills up ponds, lakes, rivers, wells and seas. Some of the rainwater seeps into the ground. We dig wells to get this water that seeps into the ground. This is called also groundwater, and we can use this groundwater. We also use a hand pump to get this water. A hand pump is also called a tube well. You can see this picture is hand pump and this is well, and you may see this hand pump in our country. Our earth has a lot of water in its seas and ocean. Almost 3/4 of Earth's surface is water, but we cannot drink this water because it is salty. In seas and ocean, water is salty. We can only drink fresh water. The water of seas and ocean is salty. The water that we use for drinking is not salty. It is fresh water. The water in rivers, lakes and ponds is fresh water. If you can see this picture, we can see the sources of water. This is pond, river, well, spring, that means fountain, and this is sea. Among these, river, pond, well, spring water is fresh water and sea water is salty water. And all of these are sources of water. I am repeating this line. The water in rivers, lakes and ponds is fresh water. We also find fresh water under the ground. That means groundwater. Dear student, now we will do some exercise. Exercise number 1 is tick the correct answer. Our first question is, we can save water by, number 1 option is bathing, 2 option is closing tap, 3 option is cooking. We can save water by closing tap. So we will tick here rainwater. Number 2 question is rainwater. Option is salty. 2 number is sweet. 3 number is fresh. Our 3 number option is correct. Then we will put tick here. Our next exercise is write true or false. If this statement is true, then we will write true, and if this statement is false, then we will write false. Number 1 is all living things need water. All living things need water. Yes, this statement is true. Then we will write here true. 2 number true false is we do not need water for bathing. This statement is false. We need water for bathing. So we will write here false. 3 number is turn off taps while brushing. Yes, you have to turn off tap while brushing. So this statement is also true. Then we will write true. Student, you have to do some SW. Your SW number is 4 number SW. When you will do your SW, please write 4th number in top of your SW copy. And your SW will be this true false. That means here is the 3 true false. You have to do as your SW. So, dear student, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice at home and do your assigned SW in your SW copy, and you have to submit this SW every Sunday. And we will give you your diary mark and CT mark and SBA mark based on this SW. So, this is very important for you, you know that. So, dear student, stay home and safe, and see you again in our next class. Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.